Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you guys having problems where you need to find fuses relays for the power windows on Mercedes GLC D generation right here guys. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find these fuses relays. Please do not waste any money on parts to use diagnostic guys until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix after that. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools, anything like that, we will guys share the link in the description of the video below. Check it out guys, and you can see guys where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the power windows, now if you have problems where power windows do not work, the first thing you want to check is fuses and relays. If you still have a problem where a power window does not work, we recommend to check the video on the channel why power window does not work on Mercedes GLC. It will teach you what you need to check, but always start with the fuses and the relays. Now we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. The first one, we need to open the passenger door. Come in the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the dash here you have a cover. Go ahead, open that cover, and guys, underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here we need to check specifically 2 fuses. Then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 2 more. The fuses that we need to check, that's empty in our case, but that's 301, so we need to check 302 and 303. Those are very important fuses that you need to check here. Then you need to open the trunk. When you open the trunk, leave the cargo liner up, that cargo cover up. Underneath you have some storage compartment, but here you have a flap. Open guys that flap, you see, lift it up, and underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. What we need to check now here is 2 more fuses, and we're talking about fuse 406 and 408. Now these 2 fuses there guys, but if you still have problems, we'll recommend to check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module, SAM module, because it controls that function too. So you check these fuses, they're good. You still have a problem, check fuses relays for the front and rear SAM control module. We'll have the video on the channel if you guys need help with that. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.